Ever wonder what scoliosis care might look like in the future? Some treatments already mix the best of both worlds. Braces with a little extra power built in. Imagine one that can actually share updates with your doctor. Smart tech could track how the curve is changing every day. And families? They'd get simple alerts right on a tablet or phone. Even rods are turning high-tech. Magnets already let rods grow without surgery. One day they might adjust all by themselves. Or braces could be printed to fit you perfectly. Tiny helpers, too small to see, might boost bone strength. And rehab? It could feel more like a game than a chore. Doctors might even pop up as holograms at home. Braces, rods, and new ideas could all work together. The future's not just about machines, it's about helping kids stay strong. Next up, getting ready for surgery.